If you want to crop just one layer in Photopea without affecting the rest of your design, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest non-destructive way to hide the unwanted parts of a single layer using a raster mask so you can keep full control and edit it later if needed. This is a super useful trick when you only want to trim one image, one object, or one element in your project without permanently deleting anything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure your project is open in Photopea and look over at the Layers panel on the right side. This is very important because you need to click the exact layer you want to crop. If you choose the wrong layer, the mask will apply to the wrong part of your design. So take a second to find the specific layer you want to adjust, then select it so it becomes highlighted. Now go to the left toolbar and choose the Rectangle Select tool. You can usually find it by pressing M on your keyboard, which is the shortcut for this tool. Once it's active, click and drag across the image area you want to keep. Try to be as precise as possible because this selection is going to determine what remains visible on that one layer. Everything outside of the selection is what will be hidden. Take your time here and make sure the selection box matches the exact part you want to preserve. If you need to, you can click and drag again to adjust your selection before moving on. This step matters because the selection is basically defining your crop area, but in a much safer way than permanently deleting pixels. After that, look at the bottom of the Layers panel. You'll see several icons there, and what you want is the raster mask icon. It looks like a dark rectangle with a white circle inside. Once you click it, Photopea will instantly hide everything outside your selected area on that layer. The rest of your project stays completely untouched, which is exactly why this method is so useful. And that's it. You've successfully cropped just one layer in Photopea using a raster mask. The best part is that this is non-destructive, so if you ever want to bring back the hidden parts later, you can adjust the mask instead of starting over. That makes it perfect for editing photos, graphics, and layered compositions where you only want to change one element. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Photopea guides, editing tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.